Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this chignon bun in under 2 minutes. To start, divide the hair in half from the end of eyebrow height and pop that top half into a ponytail. Pinch and pull at the top of the crown for more volume and texture. Secure the remaining hair into a low ponytail, and all I'm going to do is bring that top ponytail down and join it to the bottom ponytail. Pop a couple of fingers from left to right behind that middle section, twist the ponytail, pass it to your fingers and pull it all the way back through. Keep the ends twisted and bring it up and over the top of the elastic band to the opposite side and secure the top with a few bobby pins. Now pop your fingers through the middle of the loop we've just created at the bottom, and again twist your ends past your fingers and pull it all the way through that loop to the opposite side of the head. Use the hair to cover the elastic band and again secure the bottom with a few pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.